Let's come into a seated position. Roll back your shoulders and sit tall. Place your hands in chin mudra on your kneecaps. Gently tuck your chin inwards, soften your gaze and close your eyes. Let's deep breathe. Big inhalation through your nostril and exhalation. Big inhale and exhale. Great. Let's take this moment to connect with our breath, ourselves, and ask ourselves to be focused today during this entire practice. Let's take a big breath again and out. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Great. So let's mobilize our neck. So you look to your right, left, keep going, right, left. Now stop at the center and left ear to your left shoulder. Good. Right ear to your right shoulder. Keep going. Left, right. Now stop at the center and then go all the way down and chin rolls. So move your neck towards your right side. Slowly roll. Feel that nice massage. That's it. Now opposite direction. And done. Great job. So you're going to do some elbow rolls. So place your elbows in front. That's it. And open. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And opposite direction. So this is really good for the shoulders. Keep going. Maintain your posture straight. And done. Good job. So let's join me in a tabletop for the cat-cow. So make sure the distance between your forearms is the length of your distance between your knees are the length of the forearm, right? And you spread your fingertips like that and gaze in front. So inhale, gaze up, and exhale all the way down. Inhale, exhale, go with your breath. Inhale, exhale, arch your back as much as you can. Inhale, one last one, and exhale, and settle into a child's pose. So spread your fingers as much as you can and feel that nice stretch in your back. So the cat-cow is really good for back pain and activating your central nervous system. So really good to try in the morning. Deep breathe in this child's pose, which is also good for anxiety. Great job. So join me in a standing position. So you're going to mobilize the rest of your joints, right? So you're going to move your right leg up, that's it, and ankles, that's it. And opposite direction. So these are simple ones that you can do. Now you're going to move your knee up, down, that's it. So if you have any issues with balancing, you can hold the wall. Good. Now let's try the other leg. That's it. Keep going. And the knee. So these are small movements that you can do in the morning, right? Or while you're warming your food in the morning, whatever. Okay. Then feet down. So hands on your waist and some circles for your waist. That's it. Keep going. And opposite. Good job. That's it. So now you're going to bring your feet together, right? V shape. And you're going to, sorry, not V shape, feet together, sorry. Inhale, hands up, and you're going to balance. Up, 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 all the way up. Balance on your toes. There you go. And down. And inhale again up. Good. Exhale down. Nice stretch. One last one. We're going to balance and hold. Inhale up. And down. Great job. Same way. Now bring your feet to a V shape. That's it. Now you're going to bend, slide to your right. Inhale up first. And exhale right. That's it. Small shift. Yeah. Hold that. Inhale up again. And exhale to the other side. Breathe normally while you're there. Inhale up, up, up. And exhale, hands down. Great job. So you're going to keep your hands apart, feet apart, and we're going to deep breathe. Calm your breath. Big inhale and exhale. Good. So while now we're going to do some back bends a little bit, right? So you're going to place your hand in V shape, hands behind, bend a little behind. That's it. And now you're going to walk your fingers down all the way down very slowly. So early morning, especially our backs are not that active, so this is something you should do. Slowly walk the fingers up, and then again hands behind, and we're going to push and open that chest back, and then again down, fingers down slowly. So this is good for people that are not that flexible, right? And again inhale up, and we're done. Then we're going to move on to doing some star jumps, right? So you're going to place your feet apart, right? And feet together, and inhale. Oh, that's it. Keep going. That's okay. Keep going. That's it. 2, 3, 4, 5, and actually you can stop. I will guide another thing. So if someone can't do that high, you can do simple jogging. So that is something that you can also alternate if star jumps is a bit too much, right? So keep going a little bit more to warm up. That's it. Great job. Okay, so keep your feet apart. That's it. Inhale up and exhale down. Just down. Yeah, inhale up again and exhale down. The other side. Yeah, inhale up and exhale down. So this is just to mobilize the sides, right? Inhale up, exhale down. Also good to warm up your waist. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up and exhale down. Great. Let's deep breathe. Big inhale and exhale. Big inhale and exhale. Great job. Little more to do. So meet me in the top of the mat and feet in V shape. Right now, since the back is all warmed up, so we're going to raise your hands up, inhale up, bend as much as you can, and exhale all the way down, but stop at 90. That's it. Then again slowly down, inhale, exhale. Good job. Inhale again one last time. Inhale, stop at 90. Then exhale. Inhale all the way up, opening your chest. Really good for the happy hormones. Inhale, exhale, stop at 90. That's it. Inhale. Exhale all the way down. We're going to settle into ragged dolls. So you're going to clasp your opposite elbow with your opposite palm. So this is really good for back pain and also anxiety, right? So relax, especially in the morning. This is really good to do. Just relax your neck. You're going to hold this pose. If you feel that this is a bit difficult, you can also bend your knees. You can bend your knees and just relax. You can do this even when you're at work. Go to a corner and you're feeling a bit anxious, really good. You can feel that blood flow to the head, feel all your stress leaving you, your stressed shoulders relaxing. Great. You're going to straighten your kneecaps, straighten your hands. Inhale all the way up, up, up. One last one. Bend as much as you can. Exhale and hands apart. First hand correct, hands to the heart center, and then hands apart, feet apart. So keep your feet apart and deep breathe. So while she is relaxing, the hands to the heart center is really good to kind of center you after you do a big practice and kind of center you, body, mind and soul, right? And also breath. So now bring your feet together. We're going to go settle into a downward dog, right? So first of all, inhale again once, all the way up, exhale all the way down, and keep your feet, hands between your feet, beside your feet, bend your knees, that's it. Right foot behind. First we're going to do a little bit of a warrior, okay? Inhale, hands up, that's it. Exhale, palms, yes, and then palms to the mat. Inhale again one more time. So bend as much as you can. That's it, and down, that's it. Now we're going to swap to the other leg. Slowly, be very gentle, that's it. And the other leg in front, good job. Inhale, hands up, bend as much as you can, nice stretch. Exhale, cactus hands, then hands to the mat. Inhale again, all the way up, up, up. Then cactus hands, and to the mat, and leg behind, and we're going to settle into a child's pose first. Deep breathe. So this child pose is really relaxing, right, but also it gives your back to stretch, right? So calm your breath. That's it. Good. Now we're going to settle into a downward dog. So look in front, then tuck your toes and your tailbone high. So this is a downward dog, right, and see how her head is in between her upper arm. So try to bring that in. This needs to be straight, right? So while you're here, you can, if you want, you can cycle. So bend your right knee, left knee. This is really good for back pain also, and for depression, right? Anyone who needs a boost of energy, right? That's it. And feet together and feel that nice stretch in your tailbone. Feel that blood flow to the head, the shoulders. Hold this breath, hold this pose, breathe normally, and knees to the mat, and settle into Shashankasana one more time. Shashankasana is child's pose. Deep breathe, deep breathe. Great job. So you're going to look in front, bring your right foot in front, left foot in front, then inhale, sweep your hands all the way up. One last time, back bend, and hands to the heart center, and hands apart, feet apart. Deep breathe, deep breathe. Great job. So this is a warm-up. Then after this, you can do your yoga poses, or you can finish it with a deep breathing and finish the session. So hope you enjoyed it. I will see you soon.